Today we have the radiator leak. We are going to try the bar leak, radiator, heavy duty stop leak, the pelletized formula. I'll show you how this will work and how we will use this thing. Let me show you the leaking. We have, you can see that is the leaking we have here. We will use this one and then we will see if that is working, because the mechanic is asking for a $300. The leaking is actually there. That's the point. That's very hard to remove the seal. Just stay with me so we can start how to use it. So the first thing is, as mentioned here on the instructions, make sure the radiator is cooled down, that's not warm. So when you're going to remove the cap, so that is not going to overflow, or it's a safety issue. Make sure I use the PPE to use this stuff, and you can see that is very low, and we will use, and this is a pelletized formula. They mention just use the warm water, so there is a medicine that is stuck on the pellet and the pellet will be a little bit melt. So I leave this one like a 10-15 minute in the warm water, so I can feel that is a little warm. So just shake it really good before you will start, and I'll show you how to use this thing. So I have a Freestone anti-freezer plus coolant ready to use. I'm going to use that with our radiator leak. So there is, you can see there is a seal. Okay, so I remove the seal. You can see I'm going to pour this one. They did mention the whole bottle you can use for 8 cylinder, but that's a 4 cylinder. I will use almost like 1/2 of this one. So the pellet is inside, it's a little bit left. So I will just directly pour into the radiator. Just make sure. There you go. And I'll pour some here, so that will automatically pour from here also. Then I'll pour here because that is a little bit leaking. So you can see this thing have a lot of pellets still there. So I will rewarm this one, add anti-freezer, and then I will use this thing. So you can see that is already inside. This one have a little bit. So this radiator is almost like a full, because there was a little bit dropping. So I think I will add a little bit anti-freezer here, and then we will run the engine idle, just standing here for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20, and I will place the truck on the other place. So because right now there is like the wet, so when we will leave on the other place, we will figure out if there is still any leaking or is stoppage. So let me do turn on 15 minutes the engine. Make sure the radiator is back, the radiator cap is back on. So we will do 15 minutes. I just fill till here. You can see I pour a little bit here, this stuff, so you can feel the color here is a little bit changed. Let me run the 15 minutes, leave the idle on, and then we will see. I just turn on the engine. You can see that is running. I'll wait for 15 minutes. You can see the formula, see here, that is keep changing the color. So possibility that will change the whole color. So let's wait for 15 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, so it's 15 minutes gone. I'm back. So you can say it's still on the same place. The radiator is good. That was before leaking. We have no so I can show you underneath, and you can see it's clean. Nothing is leaked there, nothing is clean. Yeah, when we moved the truck back, that time these came in, but after that there is nothing came in. So that means they're working really good. I really recommend bar leaks. The pallets you can buy on Walmart, just only like $4. The pallet is still there, you can see that is the pallets. If that is leaking again, I'll use the antifreezer, shake it, reuse it, and hopefully I'm positive that is not going to leak. I can see there that is not dropping any single drop of water. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the more informative videos. Thank you very much for watching.